What's up, YouTube? What's up, my gorgeous friends on the internet? Hey guys, cyber exploit here, back again with another Python video. And in this video we'll be looking at the Python program to check if a number is even or an odd number. Okay, so in this example you will learn how to check whether a number entered by a user is even or odd. Okay, to understand this example you should have the knowledge of the following Python programming topics. Number one, you need to have the knowledge of Python operators, and secondly, you need to know the if-else statement. Okay, so to cut it short, in Python operators, you need to understand the basic arithmetic operators. That is to say, you need to understand what the additional operator, the subtraction operator, and the multiplication operator. So also you need to understand the division operator. Okay, so therefore you also need to understand the basics of the relational or comparison operators, which are the greater than, the less than, the greater than or equal to, the less than equal to, the equivalent sign, or they call it the equal, double equal sign. Okay, and the not equal to or not equal sign. So that is that for that. So in this video we'll be using the relational operator, okay, which is the double equal sign, as some call it the equivalent sign, and also the Python if-else statement. Given that a number is even if it is perfectly divisible by 2. When the number is divided by 2, we use the remainder operators, which is the modulus, as some may call it the mod, to compute the remainder. If the remainder is not 0, the number is said to be an odd number. So we can solve this problem using 3 basic methods. Okay, the number one method is we're going to be using the format function. Okay, so let's write out the code. So follow me up, guys. Let's code. Okay, we declare a variable called num, and this num is going to be an integer. Okay, so that's it for this. Okay, so let's run the code now and check whether the number is set to be an even or an odd number, given that a user has to be the one to enter the number. Okay, yes, here we go. So it appears that we're going to enter a number, so let's randomly select a number. Let's type as 7. Okay, the 7 is odd. Okay, that's 7 is odd number. Okay, so let me correct that. Even number. Okay, number. Okay, so let's run the code and check. So enter a number. We'll enter 3. You see 3 is odd number. Okay, so That is the first method using the format function. So now we're going to use the straight way of doing it. Okay, that is to say, instead of using the format, we're gonna be like making it more simpler. Okay, guys, so you see, if the number mod 2 is equivalent to 0, I'm gonna print the number, comma, and we say the number is even number. Okay, else print num, comma, is odd number. Okay, so this is the second method of doing it, which is the straight way of doing it, and it's said to be the simplest way of doing it. So let's run the code and see whether it's working or not. Awesome, the code executed. Okay, so let's enter a number. Let's enter 56 now. So 56 is even number. Okay, so exactly 56. If you divide 56 by 2, definitely you're not going to have any remainder, so therefore it's an even number. Okay, so we have the last option, or the last method of doing it, using the f string function. Okay, so you can do that by saying, instead of putting num here, let me just delete it, guys. I'm sorry for the okay. So if num mod 2 is equivalent to 0, we need to print. Okay, now put our f string. We need to print okay, else I should print f, sorry for that, f string always comes first before the quotation. Now insert our curly braces, or close that, we say is odd number. Okay, so let's try and run the code and see and check whether it's going to execute correctly. Okay, looks like we have an error. Okay, I intentionally did this so that we can be able to know that we are printing nothing. Okay, there is not, the value of num is not showing here, so therefore we need to call the value of num. And we'll call the value of num, call num. Okay, so let me clear that so that it will look nice. Okay, yes, so let's check the code now. Okay, it says we should enter a number. Okay, let's enter 20 now. Okay, 20 is even. If you divide 20 by 2, we're not going to have any remainder, but we're going to be left with 0. So that is the third way, or the third method of doing it. Okay, so we can make this to run infinitely. Okay, you can make the above program to run infinitely by introducing the while loop. Okay, so what we have to do here, we're going to say while true. Okay, while everything is true, it should execute this. So we're going to indent all of the code down here. We're going to indent it. We're going to press the tab key. Okay, so let's check the code now. So you should enter the number, or enter 2 is even. You should enter a number again. 56 is said to be an even number, so let's try that. 5 is said to be an odd, because if you divide 5 by 2, then you have two remainder ones. So therefore 5 is an odd number. Okay, so we have 5 is odd number. Okay, let's check now 23. 23 is an odd number. Okay, so it continues till you terminate the program entirely. So that is it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or suggestion, you make sure you leave it down in the comment section below. If you find the video interesting, you make sure you leave a like and share the video with your friends, guys. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. Peace.